Welcome to the Jahia DX Server Administration. In this tutorial, you will learn about modules, what they are, and how to access and install them through public and private app stores. Use the digital demonstration site to follow along. You can log in as the root user and use root as the password. First, a little background on modules. A module is like a plugin. It extends the functionality of DX. There are three kinds of modules: templates for layout, simple standalone modules, and JIAPs, complex modules or a set of modules. Many of the modules that are installed display in edit mode as the available components. Some modules are behind-the-scenes helpers that other modules depend on. To install an available module, use the DX menu to navigate to Administration. Expand System Components and click on Modules. The Installed Modules tab shows all the default modules that are part of DX and other modules that were installed during site creation or added later. Let's look at the details for one of the modules. Scroll down the list to locate the Jahia calendar. Click on Details to see all the information. All the web projects on a server share the same modules, but a module may be enabled on one site and not on another. You can see that the calendar is enabled on the digital demonstration site, but not on System site. Scroll down to see the modules that the calendar depends on and the modules that depend on the calendar module. At the top of the page, click the Back to Previous Page button. Next, we'll add a module called the Form Factory. Modules can be installed directly by uploading a file or from the available modules provided by the Jahia Public App Store, as I will demonstrate next. Click the Available Modules tab to display the Public App Store where you can search for modules. Click in the search area and type Form. When the options appear, click on Form Factory Core. Here you can review all the information about the module. Click Download Current Version. When prompted, select a location to save the file and click Save or use the appropriate procedure for your operating system and browser. Close the App Store window. Now, click on the Installed Modules tab to upload and install the file. Click on Upload Module File and navigate to the location where you saved that file. Click Upload. When the upload is complete, a message at the top says the module has been uploaded and started. But there's another step before we can use it. Now we have to enable the module. To enable the module, search again for Form and click on Form Factory. Under Usage in all sites, click Enable next to Digital. Now use the DX menu to navigate to Edit mode. In the Create Content tab of the left toolbar, expand Form Components to see the new Custom Form option. Congratulations on adding your first module. The modules we have seen are available in the Public App Store access through the Available Modules tab. Now we'll look at private app stores, which use the Nexus Maven repository, a third-party application that allows administrators to easily store and reuse custom modules and share them across your organization and with integration partners. Private App Store looks very much like the Jahia Public App Store, which you can access on the web at store.jahia.com. See the DX Functional Administrator documentation for details on how to create your private app store. Once you've set up your store, you can make it accessible here in Server Administration. Navigate to Private App Store under System Components and add the URL to your app store along with the username and password. Thank you for watching and learning about modules in DX. Please also see our other DX documentation and video tutorials and visit us on the web at jahia.com.